A Labor Day weekend turned into a nightmare. Across America, a deadly crime spree was underway. Two young suspects moved from state to state, leaving bodies behind and fear in their wake. It began in rural Ohio. 79-year-old Ruth Loader vanished from her home. Her door was forced open. Her car was gone. Her medication was left behind. Police knew she didn't leave willingly. Within hours, another disappearance was reported. 16-year-old Eric Elliott was missing. A handgun from his home was gone. Then the case crossed state lines. In Missouri, Ruth Loader's car was found abandoned in a muddy field. Nearby, an elderly couple was discovered murdered in their basement. Both shot execution style. Investigators feared the worst. This wasn't random. This was a spree. The FBI joined the hunt. Witnesses confirmed Eric Elliott was traveling with an older man, an ex-convict named Louis Gilbert. Their trail stretched west. In Oklahoma, another body was found. A woman murdered near a lake. The stolen vehicle nearby confirmed it. The killers were still moving. Police raced against time, always one step behind, always fearing the next phone call. In New Mexico, a tip finally broke the case. Two men were spotted hiding under a highway culvert, armed, exhausted, dangerous. Police moved in. After days of terror, the spree was over. Louis Gilbert confessed to multiple murders. He led investigators through the crimes, but refused to reveal where Ruth Loader was buried. Her body was never found. Justice came for the killers. But for one family, closure never did, because some crimes end in silence, and some victims are never brought home.